Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the snowstorm that happened on Sunday night. Today is Tuesday. Everything is shut down. I couldn't even go to the office yesterday. The situation is really bad. But we have to go to office. We have no choice. Payroll week. Inshallah, we'll drive slowly. This is Sydney, Nova Scotia. Still ice on the road in some places. This is the city, so highway gonna be dangerous, and usually the one we use that even harder. They put lot of salt, but it doesn't matter. Allah knows. Can be the last day of our life. My son is going with me. Doesn't have school today. Gonna have school tomorrow. So 2 days everything was closed. Alhamdulillah, it's sunny. We have to stop for gas on the way, inshallah. Allah has balanced. In some country it's hot now, Australia, New Zealand, Africa, especially South Africa that I know of. We have extreme cold weather. You see like patch of ice everywhere on the road. Not only snow, under the snow I'm talking about. Here. You have to take it easy. Footpath is not clean, so that guy is walking on the road, and this girl also. No choice. You have to take it easy. And especially a small town like Sydney, we don't have money to clean the snow right away. Inshallah, we'll go for fuel.